Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Reyna. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the little notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. So a few people have requested me for this video, and I am going to be doing an updated brow routine. So if you guys want to see how I do my brows, just keep watching. So now that I pulled you guys in, I'm gonna get started on my brows. And honestly, I really don't take that long with my eyebrows just because they're already pretty full. But I do take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I take a little angled brush. And this is from BH Cosmetics, is the number 13 brush from their Studio Pro line. So I just take that and I take a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just take a little bit on my brush, and the excess I just tap it off on the lid. So I like to start from about right here, and I just start filling in my little sparse areas and all the way to the end of my brows. And then when I get to the top of my brows, I just like to draw a little line right here. I'm just connecting this top of my brows to my arch and then down. And then I just spoolie through it to blend that in. And even if it looks a little messy like that, I still clean up my brows at the end, so it really doesn't bother me. And right here, I pretty much just take what's left from my brush and just pull through all the way. So I really don't put much here on the inner part of my eyebrows, and that's pretty much it. Now that I have my brows the way I want them to look precisely, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a flat brush, and I'm gonna get some of the concealer on there, and I'm just gonna be carving out my eyebrows. Now with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna be blending all of that concealer. And that, you guys, is basically what I do to my brows. That's it. Other than after I finish the rest of my makeup, I always set it with my Make Me Brow by Essence. Other than that is pretty much how I do my eyebrows, you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope you guys got something from it. I know my brow routine is really basic, I feel like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and leave me any comments, you guys, of what other videos you guys want to see. And yeah, you guys, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.